So the first step in the installation of the E-Force is to take apart a lot of the factory stuff. We're going to actually go through the steps of that, follow the instructions. Edelbrock has actually invested in an excellent set of instructions for this truck. The grill's going to have to come off. We're going to show you some of the modifications we're going to have to make to the grill system for that new heat exchanger that's going to go in. But as we pull things off, we'll go through and show you step by step what we're doing, and then we'll get the install started. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first process of actually installing the pieces for the E-Force comes with the heat exchanger. First thing you're going to have to do is take off the front grille and the valence, which comes off as one piece. We've got some video coverage that we showed you in that. And then you're going to lay the actual support that comes on the front of the radiator that's on the truck is going to come off so that you can actually install the heat exchanger. Now there's a couple of different variants of how GM actually did these front supports. One of them has a flat bracket piece on the back side here, and this is all covered in your instructions. One has a piece that has lips on the side that may need some grinding for fitment for the heat exchanger. Now we got lucky on ours, we had the flat support so we didn't have to do anything. So the first thing we installed were the brackets for the heat exchanger and the heat exchanger itself. The next step is we're actually going to take the plastic shroud, put it back on, and this will all be ready to install back on the truck.